Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to connect Tally Prime with WhatsApp. This full guide will help you streamline your business communications. We'll cover everything from the initial setup to sending your first automated message. Integrating these two powerful tools can significantly boost your efficiency and customer engagement. Get ready to transform how you interact with your clients and manage your financial documents, making your workflow much smoother and more responsive. Before diving into the connection process, there are a few key things you'll need. First, make sure your Tally Prime software is fully licensed and operational. A stable internet connection is also absolutely vital for seamless data exchange. You will also need an approved WhatsApp Business API account. Finally, consider any third-party connector applications or plugins that might be required to bridge the two platforms effectively. Having these ready will ensure a smooth start. Now, let's walk through the actual integration steps. Begin by configuring your WhatsApp Business API settings within your chosen connector application. Next, carefully map the specific data fields from Tally Prime, such as invoice numbers or customer names, to your WhatsApp message templates. It is crucial to test the integration thoroughly by sending several sample documents, like invoices or payment reminders. Address any issues immediately to ensure a reliable and efficient connection. With your integration complete, you can now unlock numerous benefits. Automate the sending of invoices, payment reminders, and various reports directly through WhatsApp, saving valuable time. This enhances customer communication by providing instant, personalized updates, leading to better engagement. You will significantly improve operational efficiency by reducing manual communication efforts. Remember to regularly review and update your integration settings to ensure optimal performance and adapt to any new features or requirements.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.